In the world of construction, precision and reliability are the cornerstones of success. For over a decade, Redwop Chemicals Private Limited has stood as a testament to these values. With 13 years of unwavering commitment, we have been the trusted name in manufacturing high-quality construction chemicals such as admixtures, adhesives, waterproofing chemicals, tile and industrial grounds, wall putty and paints, repair mortars, sealants, and many more. Our success is not just defined by our products, but by the passion and dedication of our team. नमस्ते रेडवॉप फैमिली, आप सभी का रेडवॉप मिशन 2028 ऑफिशियल लॉन्च में हार्दिक स्वागत है। आइए अब रेडवॉप केमिकल्स के अभी तक के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट, वेयरहाउस लोकेशन और बिजनेस नेटवर्क के बारे में जानते हैं। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट: राजकोट, गुजरात, वापी, गुजरात, जयपुर, राजस्थान, नागपुर, महाराष्ट्र, कोयंबटूर, तमिलनाडु, रांची, झारखंड। मुख्यतः रेडवॉप केमिकल्स इन 6 प्लांट से फुल कैपेसिटी से प्रोडक्शन करता है और मार्केट में अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को सप्लाई करता है। सप्लाई चेन को और मजबूत करने के लिए और कस्टमर को हाई स्पीड से प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल करवाने हेतु रेडवॉप अपने वेयरहाउस की संख्या में लगातार बढ़ोतरी कर रहा है। हाल में ये वेयरहाउस इन लोकेशंस पर लोकेटेड है: राजकोट, अहमदाबाद, मुंबई, बेंगलोर, हैदराबाद, हुबली, भालकी, दरभंगा और औरंगाबाद। रेडवॉप केमिकल्स का हेडक्वार्टर गुजरात के राजकोट सिटी में और रीजनल ऑफिस नवी मुंबई में लोकेटेड है। पिछले 13 साल की सफलता का सफर रेडवॉप केमिकल्स के लिए एक अनमोल किस्सा है। यह सफलता का सफर हमारे लिए केवल एक पहलू है। हम अब नए सपनों, नए लक्ष्यों और नए मिशन की ओर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। हम गर्व के साथ प्रस्तुत करते हैं कंपनी का मिशन 2028। यह मिशन हमारी प्राथमिकताओं, मूल मूल्यों और सामाजिक उत्थान के प्रति हमारी प्रतिबद्धता का परिचय देता है। आइए मिशन 2028 के मूल उद्देश्य को जानें। राष्ट्र के आर्थिक विकास को बढ़ावा देना। One of the primary objectives of Mission 2028 is to contribute to the economic growth and development of the nation, which includes create new jobs, helping in the growth of supporting business of the company, participation of government initiatives for economic growth, increase GDP by expanding our business networks। भारत वैश्विक स्तर पर 5वें स्थान के साथ एक बढ़ती हुई अर्थव्यवस्था है और वर्ष 2028 के भीतर 3वें स्थान पर आने का लक्ष्य है। रेडवॉप अपने मिशन 2028 के साथ इस पहल में शामिल हो रहा है। हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स डीलर्स के बिजनेस में वृद्धि और समृद्धि लाना। One of the core objectives of our Mission 2028 will also include enhancing the prosperity of our valued distributors and dealers. Our distributors and dealers are at the core of our business. We strongly believe that their success is our success. To foster collaborative and mutually beneficial partnerships and create an environment where together we can reach new heights. अपने बहुमूल्य कर्मचारियों का विकास एवं समृद्धि को बढ़ाना। Our Mission 2028 objectives include ensuring the prosperity of all our valuable employees. Our mission will include providing opportunities to our employees for their personal and professional growth and fostering a culture of development, respect, and empowerment for each and every employee. Market leadership. The objective of making Redwop a leading player in the construction chemical industry and gaining international recognition will also be included in Mission 2028 to make Redwop a respected brand that will showcase the country's strength and positive attributes on a global platform. Operational excellence. We will streamline all systemic processes under Mission 2028 and enhance the efficiency of our working and mechanical systems, maximizing operations and overall productivity. To achieve operational excellence through continuous improvement, innovation, and efficiency, ensuring that every aspect of our organization runs seamlessly and efficiently to deliver exceptional value to our customers and stakeholders. Support national infrastructure. As a part of the Mission 2028, the company also aims to contribute to the development and maintenance of critical infrastructure in our country, such as connecting the company with the transportation, communication, irrigation, energy, and healthcare systems on the basis of approved vendor and supplying Red VOC products in all the progressive projects of the country is also an important objective of Mission 2028. Lay the groundwork for international expansion. As a part of our global growth strategy, we will explore opportunities to expand our business beyond our current geographic boundaries, positioning our company to enter new global markets and leverage growth opportunities effectively. With this Mission 2028, we will prepare our organization for international expansion by building scalable processes, fostering global partnerships, and ensuring compliance with international regulations, while maintaining our commitment to operational excellence and customer satisfaction. Now let's unveil our roadmap for Mission 2028, where innovation meets strategy in our quest for excellence. We will upgrade and modernize all our manufacturing plants and laboratories. We will construct a new modern corporate headquarters in Rajkot. We will start the production of admixtures in all our plants. We will also start the production of wall putty and paints in all our plants. We will establish silica grinding plants in Nagpur, Salem, and Jaipur. We will establish a PC manufacturing plant in South Gujarat. We will set up 20 new warehouses across the country to further strengthen our business network. A target has also been set to upgrade the Our Partner mobile application and connect to lakhs our partners with this app. In order to achieve our Mission 2028, we will also need a devoted, committed workforce across all our divisions is essential. We target to recruit the workforce accordingly. 200 employees in admixture segment, 700 employees in adhesive segment, 200 employees in waterproofing segment, 400 in wall putty, paints, and hardware segment, 200 employees in the operation and production department. Mission 2028 is not just a goal, it's a commitment to excellence, innovation, and sustainable growth. It's a promise to our customers, partners, and ourselves, a promise to shape a brighter and more successful future. सफलता की दिशा में हम सब मिलकर कदम बढ़ा रहे हैं। आपका साथ हमारी ताकत है और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप हमारे साथ मिलकर मिशन 2028 को साकार करने में हमारे साथी बनेंगे। आप सभी का हृदय से धन्यवाद।